welcome to Diesel Engine Rebuilders. My name is John Archer. When I talk about some of my videos, I kind of tell everybody that, hey, we knock everything down and we get all the paint and dirt and oil and everything off our engines before we start them. I want you to see this one. This one came out. This is a customer's block. He brought it to us for machining and cleanup. This thing was filthy when we got it. It's been in a piece of equipment for who knows how long. I think it was an industrial piece of equipment for probably the last 20 years, so it was really bad. But if you look at it now, you can see the paint has been completely removed from this engine, and any bearing material, anything of that nature, has been washed out and will be washed out. So this is our hot tank, and this is what we use to clean absolutely every single engine. From there, we actually put the engine block or any other parts into this wash machine, and this wash machine actually goes through and jet washes everything after that. From that point, we basically take it outside and we steam clean through all the portholes, and then we wire brush all the oil galleys, everything, and then dry it off quick while everything's still hot so it doesn't create rust. And then we put a Goodson product on there that'll actually keep it from rusting, an anti-inhibitor. So when I say on all my videos that we actually clean everything right to bare block, right to bare head, we do. So just kind of show you that operation. If you have questions or if you have any engines that need repair or anything we can do for you, let us know.